Leave a fresh onion by your door, and the results will surprise you. Simply cut an onion and place it at the entrance. But today, I'll show you an even better method. While onions are best known as a kitchen staple, they also hold remarkable properties that make them an essential element in home remedies. Take a large onion and trim off its ends. Then, cut it in half and remove the skin. Onions are natural antiseptics and bactericides. Grate half of the onion using a coarse grater. Onions contain sulfur compounds with antibacterial and antifungal effects. Transfer the grated onion into a large container. Add 500 milliliters of water and half a teaspoon of black pepper, which enhances the onion's effectiveness. Then, pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, known for its characteristic scent that acts as a deterrent. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let the mixture sit for a few hours, allowing the components to combine and release their properties into the water. Afterward, strain the mixture through cheesecloth and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this solution to spray areas near your entrance doors. This natural mixture will effectively help you deal with unwelcome guests like mice and insects in your home. It's an affordable, eco-friendly repellent that works quickly, efficiently, and is safe for your health. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces. Pour shampoo on the onion. It works wonders. Take 1 red onion and peel it. Cut it in half. Dice 1/2 into small pieces. Onion has long been used to stimulate hair growth. It strengthens hair follicles and also delays the graying process. Pour a cup of your favorite hair shampoo into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey helps prevent hair loss and speeds up growth. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil to the mixture. It contains vitamin E, which improves circulation in the scalp, and vitamin K, which strengthens hair follicles. Place the chopped onion half in a small blender. Pour in the mixture. Blend everything for a moment. Take a strainer and strain the onion bits from the mixture. Pour the liquid into a jar or another container. Wash your hair regularly with this shampoo a few times a week for at least a month. The results will surprise you. Get rid of bugs in 10 seconds. This is the strongest insect repellent possible. Your enemies will disappear in no time. I'm sure you have the ingredients for this mixture at home. Take 5 cloves of garlic and peel them thoroughly. Its smell and juice are very repellent to various bugs. The same goes for onions, so take 1 red onion, peel it, and chop it. Put these prepared ingredients into a blender, then add 250 milliliters of water. To enhance our insecticide, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, preferably cayenne. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Blend everything together. Strain this mixture into another container. Prepare a large vessel and pour in 1 liter of water. Add the blended mixture to this water. Pour the combined solution into a spray bottle. Spray it on flowers or other plants in your garden. This spray is also perfect for getting rid of ants and other insects. Just spray them, and you won't have any more bugs. This great solution prevents pests from damaging garden plants. This onion is all you need to clean a window. It perfectly replaces any glass cleaner and leaves no streaks. Take an onion and cut it in half. Then, start rubbing it on the window, making sure to cover every spot. Onion juice works much better than any cleaner. Now, just grab a microfiber cloth and thoroughly polish the glass. After this trick, you'll get an amazing result. Spotless, streak-free windows, all thanks to a simple onion. Say goodbye to fingerprints on glass. Fingerprints are a nuisance for all of us, appearing on windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces. This trick will help you forget about those pesky marks. Start by preparing a bowl to mix your solution. Pour 1 tablespoon of dishwasher rinse aid into the bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of water. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and vigorously. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel to avoid spills. Shake the bottle to mix the solution once more. Take a soft cloth and spray the mixture on the spots where you see fingerprints. Wipe the glass surfaces with the cloth. This spray also works perfectly for cleaning other mirrored and glass items. All stubborn marks will disappear, and they won't reappear, ensuring your cleaning efforts are never wasted again. Sprinkle this on the onion. It gives it a completely new use. First, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Now, prepare the onion. Take 1 red onion and slice it. Lay the slices evenly on a cutting board. Take the prepared mixture and sprinkle it on each slice. This blend, with salt, baking soda, and baking powder applied to the onion slices, helps to neutralize unpleasant odors in rooms where the slices are placed. It also repels insects. Spread these slices in different spots around your home. They're especially effective near the fridge, but they also work well near the stove, plants, or the sink drain. You'll notice a fresher environment and fewer pests in no time. Gray hair will disappear. This homemade recipe is truly simple. It takes just a few minutes to prepare a solution for treating gray hair, whether it's roots or gray strands at the temples. This mixture works 100%. Start by preparing a red onion. Cut it in half and finely grate it. Place a strainer over a second bowl and transfer the grated onion to it, pressing to extract the juice. Onion juice contains the enzyme catalase, which, when used regularly, prevents hair from turning gray. Next, add lemon to the onion juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the onion juice. Lemon strengthens the hair. Now, take a tablespoon and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the onion and lemon juice until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and all over your hair. Leave it on for about an hour. Then, rinse your hair with water and wash it as usual with shampoo. Regular use of this onion-based mixture guarantees the elimination of gray hair regardless of age.